Good morning dear students, I hope you are keeping well. Today in this video we are going to discuss exercise 7C of class 8th maths. Okay, in previous video we have already seen discussed till question number 15. Okay, so in this video we will discuss from question number 16. Okay, let's see. This is the question number 16. Question is, a shopkeeper buys two bags of the same type. He sells one bag of them at a profit of 20% and the other at a loss of 5%. If the difference in selling prices is rupees 700, find the cost price of the each bag. Here cost price is not given, we have to find the cost price for each bag. Okay, find the cost price for each bag. First we will let the CP of each bag be rupees X. Okay, because we have to find the cost price of each bag. Let the CP of each bag be what? X. Because shopkeeper buys two bags of the same type. Okay, so we will let the both bags CP same. Okay, X. Now see, he sell one of them at a profit of 20%. First bag he has sold at a profit of 20%. So selling price will be cost price into 100 plus profit percent. So it will do 100 plus 20. It will come 120. I am writing direct. Okay, I am not writing formula. I hope you have learned the formula properly, because we are going to last of this exercise. Means this exercise is going to finish. You have learned the formula properly. Okay, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit upon 100. This is the selling price of first bags. Here difference is given 700, so we will write minus selling price of second bag. So cost price into, there is the loss, so 100 minus loss, 100 minus 5 means it will come 95 upon 100 is equal to what? 700. It is already given in the question. Now we will calculate it. So it will cancel by 5. If you cancel it by 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 20, 5 to the 10, 20 will come 19, 5 the 95. 5 to the 10, 20. So this will come 24x upon 20 and 19x upon 20. 24 minus 90. 5x will come 5x upon what? 20. If we will do the subtraction of the fraction, this will come 5x minus 20 is equal to 700. We have to find the value of x. So 20 will go that side. If we transpose the side of 20, it will be in multiplication, because now here it is in division. So x is equal to 700 into 20 upon 5. Now cancel it. 5 for the 20. So 700 into 4. 7 for the 28. So 28 rupees is the CP of each bag. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, comment. It is clear? Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Okay, let's see next question. Let me erase it first. Question number 17. The difference in prices when a commodity is sold at a profit of 4% and a profit of 6%. Okay, is rupees 3. Here is also difference given 3 rupees. Find the selling price of the commodity in both the case. The difference in prices when a commodity is sold at a profit of 4% and a profit of 6% is 3 rupees. The difference between selling price is given here, so we will apply this. We will write the difference. Okay, first selling price of each commodity is not given, so we let the CP be X in this question also. So question number 17. let the CP of each commodity be what? X. Okay, then we will proceed. Okay, now see, sold at a profit of 4%. Okay, calculate SP. X into 104 upon 100 minus. Second is sold at a profit of 6%. So 100 X into 106 upon 100. What is the difference given? 3 rupees. So right here 3. Any confusion? Let's proceed. So LCM will be 100. Difference means any can written later or before. You can write here also 106. Okay, 106, and this can be 104. So 106x minus 104x. There will be 2x upon 100 is equal to 3. 2 5s are 10, so this will come 50. So x will come 50 into 3, 150. Means cost price of each commodity is 150. But what we have to find? Read the question properly. Find the selling price of the commodity in both the case. Okay, we have to find selling price. First case, in first case, there is the profit of 4%. Find the selling price. Selling price will be cost price into cost price is 150 into 100 plus profit 104 upon 100. Okay, if you calculate, it will 0 0 cancel. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, and it will cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 52 into 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, means rupees 156 in second case. Okay, in second case there is a profit of 6%. Okay, so selling price will be cost price. Cost price is 150 into 100 plus profit, 100 plus profit, 100 plus 6, 106 upon 100. And I hope you can calculate. You can calculate that value, calculate and answer in comment box what answer will come. Okay.